Well, g'day everyone, and welcome back to Grab Life by the Gourlays with the first of many pocket-friendly caravan hacks. Now, we're not new to camping, but we are new to caravanning, with only picking up the caravan 3 days ago, the same day Queen Elizabeth passed. Rest her soul. Now, previously, we've owned a tent, a hard floor camper, a rooftop tent, and most recently, a pop-top Jayco Outback Swan, which was pretty good, enjoyed it, loved it, but now we're over the canvas. Now I will go through a van rundown at a later stage when we know what everything is, where everything is, and what it does. Today we're talking about bedding, specifically bunk bedding, and what little hack we've come across to save money, as caravans aren't cheap and neither is their bedding. Now this might not suit everyone, but for now, this suits us perfectly. Now this might not suit everyone, and we may change it up before we start our lap, but for now, it is perfect. So let's go check it out. Well, here you have it, guys. Your standard run-of-the-mill bunk bed. Well, I'm assuming it's standard. We've never had a bunk bed before. We've never had a caravan before. So we've got one at the top, we've got one at the bottom, one for each kid. Suits us perfectly. Now if they want friends stay over, I would have to make a special cutout cushion for the couch, like I did with the Jayco Swan that we had. Now making a bunk bed is the most easy and fun thing to do. I mean, making a bed in general isn't fun, but it's something we all need to do from time to time. So we want to make things that just a little bit more easier when you're on the road traveling full time, because getting up and down the bunk every time can be quite taxing on the old backaroony. Now, making the bottom bunk bed can be just as taxing, if not more taxing, on the old body. Now, leaning over like this, you can definitely feel it in my neck, my back, so make my bunk beds with my hack. All right, I'll definitely not give up my day job. Anyway, let's get back to it. Now, everyone should know how to put on a mattress protector, so I'm not going to go through it now. But we end up getting the Target Tajay cotton pile waterproof mattress protector, which only costs 20 bucks. Let's put it on. All right, now let's do the bottom. And there you have it. Well, there you have it, folks. The dinosaur and the mermaid sleeping bag set from Tajay, or as us common folk like to call it, Target. Now the features of this sleeping bag is that it has a zip that goes all the way down one side and all the way around the bottom, and you can open it up into a blanket. Now it also comes with a pillow and matching pillowcase. Now this is the dinosaur print, which is not too bad. And then here you've got the mermaid and seahorse print. Now at face value, this is pretty damn good. Now for 28 bucks, you can't really go wrong. You get your sleeping bag, your pillowcase, and for us personally, the length is perfect. Now, if you can see from here, it goes all the way to the end, and if you have a look down here, all the way to the end, with very little overhang. Now, there was a little bit of an issue when Benji was sleeping, because he likes to wiggle around a bit, and in the morning, this was kind of bunched up, which he was happy to fix because he was so excited about camping, about caravanning, about being on the top bunk. And all he had to do was just flick it, boom, hey presto, it's made again. Now I thought, well, let's do a little bit of a mod on this and make it a little bit more secure so you don't have to do that every morning, which I guess, you know, flick, easy done. But all you need to do is have some sewing skills, as I'll show you in a minute. Alrighty folks, now if you guys head over to the old Google and search van bunk bedding, you'll come across many options available, with the first being Vanchester by TAV, which range from $60 for a sheet set and $170 for the Doona set. Then there's Zip Sheets, which range from $79 to $87 for the sheet set. No Doona option available. Then you've got Salty Stitches, which range from $100 to $135 for the sheet set, and the quilt between $140 and $170. and you can also get custom colors and a reversible fitted end. Then if you head over to Glamp with a AA, you get an all-in-one set for $165, which includes doona cover, zipped fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Then you can always check out Wild and Wandering, which has a 3-in-1 doona set for $165, plus $55 for a fitted sheet. Now with Drifted Off, you can choose what you need, including fitted bottom sheet, top sheet, or pillowcase. And you can order customized linen, as well as rooftop tent and camper trailer linen. And the price is about $80 for a sheet set. Plus there's an extra $10 charge for custom sizes. No doona option available. Now this list isn't exhaustive by any means, and it's just a few that popped up first on the old Googs. So if you've got any other suggestions, please drop them down in the comments. So to round up the search, we've got TAV Vanchester, Zip Sheets, Salty Stitches, Glamp, Wild and Wandering, and Drifted Off, which range from $55 to $87 for sheets and $140 to $170 for the doona set. Now if you're like me and you like a good bargain, Target may be the way to go. Now I understand this may not suit everyone, and I know everyone's situation is different, but for us, this suits us to a T for now. Now if you want to compare prices between Target and the other guys, well, you've got the Mermaid and the Dinosaurs sleeping bag set that comes in at $28. And if you want to chuck in a waterproof mattress protector, that comes in at $20 each. Now if you compare that with the cheapest set option at $355, and then you have the Target set, which is $96, you're making a saving of
a few minutes later,
$239. Now, I don't know about you, but I think a saving of $239 is pretty damn good. Now, you just need to factor in just a little bit extra for the hack of sewing high density elastic on each corner, which you can buy at Spotlight. We went with 25mm wide because we found that to be the most secure. Now the good thing about these sleeping bags is they fold away neatly, so the kids can take them away for sleepovers. What do you think about the sleeping bag, Emily?
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, guys. We got a yeah from Emily, so you know it's good. Yeah? Any good?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, now I decided to do the sewing late at night as per usual, but I got it done, so hopefully it fits and it does its job. Alright, let's get into the old caravan. Step up, let's turn the load on, and we have light. Alright guys, let's see if this fits like it should. Now for 28 buckaroonies, plus a few extra for the elastic on the corners to secure it in place, I think it's pretty bloody good. Let us know, or if you got any other suggestions, drop them down in the comments. Now when the kids want to get into bed, all they have to do is unzip, flick it over, get in, zip back up. And there you have it folks, the cheap and easy caravan bunk bedding hack. Alright, now let's check to see the size. That's a pretty good fit. Let's have a look at the other side. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Whew, you don't want to be leaning over every day doing that. So I'm glad that's secure in place. Oh, excuse the glasses. Whew, needed those for sewing. All right, I think it's time for bed. It is about 1:45 in the morning. I think I'll finish Benji's tomorrow. Ooh, 1% GoPro battery. Let's check out this bed before it goes flat. Oh, well, it's pretty comfy. Yep, not bad at all. Got a bit of a Japanese pod style like vibe, but nonetheless, very comfy. Whew. Now, if you guys are worried about the sleeping bag being too tight, or if you're concerned about drop foot, there is still quite a bit of room in here for the kids to move around. Well, there you have it, guys. A cheap and easy sleeping bag hack for the caravan bunks. Now, I'm no sewing wizard, but I think the stitching was pretty good. And yes, that is a pink sewing machine that I have. And yes, it is mine. I'm proud. Real men have pink sewing machines. Anyway, enough about me. Let's get on to this. All right, let's set it up. 1, 2, 3, and boom. Bed all done. And still plenty of room for the kids to move around. Easy to unzip and get in. Well, there you have it, guys. The cheap and easy caravan bunk bedding hack. Now, if you've got any hacks or any suggestions of your own, please drop them down in the comments. That'd be much appreciated. And if you want to find out any more caravan mods or any hacks to make life just that little bit easier on the road, please like and subscribe to our channel, as this caravan is quite new to us and I've got a lot of things planned. Anyway, till next time, you.